Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. It is my distinct pleasure to deliver this video message from Ottawa, Canada, where CODE is headquartered. My name is Nathalie O'Neil. I am a new member of the CODE Board of Directors, but I have interacted many times with CODE during the course of my career. On behalf of the Board of Directors and myself, I would like to extend our gratitude to everyone in attendance today. In particular, we wish to thank Madame Emily Gogra, Deputy Minister of Education, for her support and guidance in implementing the Transforming Girls Education Program, especially the Scholarships Initiative. I would like also to acknowledge distinguished representatives from the Ministry of Basic and Senior School Education, the Ministry of Higher and Tertiary Education, the Teaching Service Commission, as well as 4 colleges where our scholarship recipients have been studying. Of course, most notably, I'd like to recognize the participation and tremendous accomplishment of our 100 scholarship recipients. I applaud and I congratulate each of you today. Despite the many challenges that you have faced over the last 3 years, especially the COVID-19 pandemic in the first year, you have persevered and achieved so much. This was no small feat. All of you had to overcome significant personal challenges in studying these past 3 years and working so hard to become qualified teachers. Many of you have children that need your attention, economic challenges, other family pressures, many other responsibilities that threatened your success. As a former diplomat, I was very happy when Canada adopted a feminist international assistance policy that seeks to eradicate poverty and build a more peaceful, more inclusive, and more prosperous world. Canada firmly believes that promoting gender equality and empowering women and girls is the most effective approach to achieving this goal. One of the key action areas in this policy is education. Today, the world is home to more young people between the age of 10 and 24 than at any other time in history. Yet, millions of girls and boys are still unable to read, write, or count, even after 4 years of schooling. Evidence has shown that when girls are given early access to education and are supported in their studies, they are more likely to graduate, improving their future earning potential. Benefits for the communities in which they live are also undeniable. A 1 percentage point increase in female education raises the average gross domestic product by 0.3 percentage points and raises annual GDP growth rates by 0.2 percentage points. In short, educated girls are empowered girls, and empowered girls and women are key to making greater gains in sustainable development. That is why Canada supports programs and advocacy efforts that help women and girls get the skills training and education they need to succeed. Giving women and girls more opportunities to complete training and education makes it easier for them to find decent work and reach their full potential. To support these efforts, Canada actively promotes awareness of the benefits of education for women and girls at every opportunity, and of the need for curricula free of gender stereotypes. The work that CODE does fits well into this broad agenda, and you are all examples of what can be achieved through the Transforming Girls Education Program, Scholarship Program. I was always struck by the proverb, if you educate a man, you educate an individual, but if you educate a woman, you educate a nation. A balanced representation of women and men teachers in the classroom creates a healthy environment, one where children and youth have access to the wisdom and guidance of adults with varying experiences, attitudes, and skills. Trained female teachers, in particular, have a unique role to play in raising education outcomes and championing the rights of girls to an education. You, now, as teachers, will be key role models for girls and young women. You will promote gender equality as well as provide a safer learning environment. Community surveys have revealed that parents also feel more comfortable sending their girls to school if they are women teachers in the same school because of the threat of gender-based violence. I understand that all of you will be receiving your ministry-approved teaching certificate, if you haven't already, that will qualify you to teach at the pre- and primary school levels. These are important foundational years for children to learn basic reading and writing skills. This is an important challenge for all of you, one that I am sure that you will meet with great success. I know that so far you have worked together to reach this key goal of obtaining your certificate, and I hope and I encourage you to continue supporting one another in this new endeavor. Let me once again congratulate you and wish you all the best in your career. Thank you.